We're doing good, brother.
What are you packing this for? Who do you pack it for?
For Milwaukee Guest House.
What's Milwaukee Guest House?
It's a homeless shelter downtown Milwaukee.
Why are you doing this, Hung?
Yeah, I'm doing it for the homeless, and then we have a lot of food, and then we took care for the poor people.
So I think it's good to kind of get acquainted with people in need and to kind of be able to share and to reach out to others.
Feeling good to help. I can have some time and spend some time to help the people when I am available to do so.
We think it's important that we show people that they're cared for not only through the gift of food, but also through the gift of love through a message. And so Jonathan and I are here writing messages to the homeless people so that they know that they are not only we're not only thinking of them, but we're praying for them and hoping for the best for them as well.
Well, because we're called to be prophets of love and servants of reconciliation, bringing about God's kingdom in the world.
Since 1982, Guest House of Milwaukee has grown to provide a continuum of services for those facing homelessness in Milwaukee, including education and other housing and mental health resources. Thank you so much to all those at Sacred Heart for donating food week after week. It means a lot to our guests and a lot to our shelter here. Please continue to donate food, look us up online, and continue to help in any ways you can. Thank you.
Vivat Corde Jesu!
Per Mariae.